Hi, my name is Fani Patel. Some of the connections that I made from Dali's work to creativity and innovation that I got from the reading provided for this module, from surrealism and Salvador Dali as a lens for innovation, was that Dali's creativity worked in a way where he used his life and his inspiration for his work. So, based on the different parts of his life, such as his relationships with his family or his start to stepping into the realm of art, so these different types of like parts of life where he took risks in his life was all portrayed through his intricate paintings that were famous, and they're all well known today. Um, how did it help me understand these concepts? So from what I understood from this creativity module was that creativity can be portrayed in multiple different ways, whether that be through someone's words, someone's business that they have, the work they do for their business, or even technological work in the STEM field, whether it's with an IT major, computer science major, or obviously in the art realm, right? And that's how Salvador Dali portrayed his creativity, was through his paintings and his portraits. So how can creativity connect to entrepreneurship and innovation? So according to a tech talk, Blueprint for Entrepreneurship, from the last module that was provided to us, I was able to see how creativity is about thinking of new and different ideas. Entrepreneurs need this to come up with unique products or services that stand out. And without that creativity, without having products that makes them stand out, they're not going to have enough buyers or people that give them profit, basically. And entrepreneurship is the act of turning those creative ideas into real business. Like, again, having creativity in business is what's going to make them come up with those different products and services are unique and intrigue all these buyers, and they're going to want they're going to pull these customers are going to want to buy this because of how creative that business is. And it involves taking risks, obviously, right? Not every idea is going to be perfect. Not every a creative idea is going to be something that's going to be intrigued by all customers. So taking risks and finding ways to make these ideas work in the real world is what entrepreneurship is all about, right? So that's how it ties in creativity and innovation as well. And then innovation happens when creative ideas are applied in new and different ways to solve the problems a company might have, or maybe the company's not having enough profits, and coming with innovative ideas using that creative aspect is what helps them solve that problem and helps them improve the things that are happening in their company or software, if it may be. And that's how entrepreneurs use creativity to constantly come up with better solutions and stay up to date with this modern society, because if they're not able to stay up to date, then they're not going to have enough buyers who's going to give them tremendous amount of profit. um so it like knowing this area and the influence of how creativity has on this world, I was able to see like how it's changed. Like the way it changed my view of entrepreneurship and innovation in this area was that before reading this module that was provided to us, I did not know that the area that I live in currently, Tampa, Florida, and the nearby cities such as St. Petersburg, has impacted the world with its innovative ideas so much. And after reading the module for this week, I was able to see, like, through St. Pete, Tampa Bay area, change the world module, that we have, or this city itself has created so many new innovative ideas where I was not aware of this before reading this module, and it made me proud to be from coming from a city where such innovative ideas are so widely used by thousands around the world. And I'm proud to be part of a community as such, and be grateful to be able to build my future in this creative and innovative field that I'm part of in the city that I am in currently. um, Two examples of creative innovation that I was able to find out through the same reading again, that's had a significant influence on our society and community, that's been originated from St. Pierre, Tampa, was one of the website that's famous and used by thousands around the world, which is Wikipedia. And Wikipedia is based in St. Petersburg, and Jimmy Wales was the first person who set up Wikipedia. And after setting that up in the 2001, in 2003 he launched Wikimedia Foundation, which is basically the sister project of Wikipedia, and it's a non-profit organization that's based in St. Pete. A second innovation that had significant influence was commercial air flight. So on January 1st, 1914, near the USF St. Pete campus, Tony Jin flew the first commercial flight from that area. And now this revolutionized an industry that is billions of dollars with billions of passengers today, as we can all see. And describing the innovation that I just said, right? Wikipedia is a website where I said many get answers from for the school research projects or any other personal research they may be doing. And the Creative Wikipedia is now the board of trustee for the Wikimedia Foundation, as he's also the original innovator, and he continues to act as its spokesperson. And then the world's first airline was a brainchild of Florida businessman Percival Fanster, who came up with this plan of flying people from point A to point B. Back then, when there were no bridges connecting St. Pete to Tampa, it would take around 7 to 9 hours with an automobile, or even 6 to 8 hours by train. But because of commercial air flight, it made traveling much more easier for millions of people around the world today.